Welcome back. Now, in most basic spreadsheets that you'll be creating, you won't be using much of what's in the lookup menu. However, there are two formulas that you will be using on a regular basis. One of which, of course, is the hyperlink. And if you click the hyperlink button, what you'll notice is that you can write in your link location and then you'll write in your friendly text. So for example, you'll write in your URL and then click OK. You'll notice then that you have here the text that can be clicked on that will lead to your hyperlink. What you're also likely to use inside of the lookup area will be your formula text. If you're trying to determine the makeup of a particular formula, what you can do is you can write in formula text. You can then enter the cell where you want to note where the formula is, and then you can click OK. That will then give you the formula, and as you can see here, this is the same formula that you'll find in this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.